Hi children, in this class we will start with the lesson number 10, that is residences. What do you mean by residences? Residences is a place where we live or the houses constructed side by side in a locality is called as residences. Here you have heard that home is the first school and mother is the first teacher. Yes, right, because we learn more from the home only before we go to the school. That is in your childhood days, what you will do? You will learn walking or other things in the home, and mother is the first teacher because mother will help you to learn different things, speaking, walking, and also discipline. All the things is learned in home only. Home is a familiar term for us. Early man protected himself against sunlight, rain, wind and wild animals by living in caves and bushes. Okay, home is a familiar term because it is a usual term that we use. Because what the home will do? Home will protect us from sunlight, rain, wind and also wild animals. Can we live in sunlight? No, we are not able to live in sunlight. If the rain is coming, can we stay without having any shelter? No, we are not able to live. But in the earlier days, what the human beings were doing? They were living in caves. Caves are nothing but the stone, the houses built with the help of the stones. Not only the small stones, they are very big stones. Bushes is nothing but the trees or dry grasses. Hence they are all called the early shelters of the mankind. Home became a need as man became civilized. Civilized is nothing but as the man became growing from generations to generations. Construction of houses were started by the civilized man as the need for a home increased in accordance with the change in society. Yes, first the people were not educated, they were living in caves and also bushes, but after the people get educated, they started to build their house in a luxurious method. All are having different kinds of the house, different shape of the house. The constructions of the residences started from independent house and got transferred to community houses. What are the independent house and community houses? You may have seen that a single building, that is a house in a single building, is called as the independent house. But a house with two or three types of the buildings in a single pillar. For example, apartments where two or more families live, right? Ground floor is having another one family, first floor is having another one family, second floor is having another one family. This type of house constructed is called as the community houses. Here we are having some pictures, type of a house and what are the building materials required to it. As you can see here, they have constructed it with the help of the bamboo sticks and also dry grass. Here you can see the house. What they have used? They have used cement, brick, wood, tiles, sand, glass. Okay, for constructing this type of house, we need this type of the materials. And here also you can see they have used wood, glass, cement, sand, brick, etc. People live in various type of the houses such as hut, house with tiled roof, house with concrete terrace. Many families in villages or towns live in houses constructed side by side in a locality. These are called as the residences. Okay, many people live in different type of houses. Hut is nothing but the house created with the bamboo stick and also the dry grass. In the villages we can see this kind of the houses. In cities we can see the houses constructed with the tiled roof or concrete terrace. Here they have provided us to see about the community houses that are constructed in various As you can see, these are the community houses because it is having so many kind of the houses and so many families live here. This is also a community house and this is also a community house. Community houses are constructed for various advantage. We must put right mark for the advantages of their families. Many families live together in a community house. Yes. The government provide housing facilities for the poor families by constructing community houses in a villages and cities. As you can see here, they are constructed to provide systematic basic facilities for a large populations in limited space. Yes. Houses in multi-stored buildings are constructed and are suitable for residents of a single family. No, they are not living for a single family. So many families are living there. Here, objectives for the community houses are to provide all the facilities to the houses which are required by the family. It provides all the facility, water facility, electrical facilities or any other facilities. And also it provides good roads, transportation facility, electricity, water supply, garbage disposal, etc. And it also helps in constructions of the park, hospitals, public needs, that is shops or vegetables. Connecting community house to a regional main roads. Okay, community house are constructed where the main road is situated. Here you can see a manual that is shown that these are the facilities provided for the people living in a community houses. Transportations, health and sanitations, essential of life, entertainment and cultural programs. As you can see here, it is having different type of components. Read it once. This is the above picture that reveals some problems of the residential area. Residential area is where it is an urban area where so many poor people live. As you can see here, drainage problem, water problems and also garbage disposal problems. Housing problem in urban areas have no underground drainage system, garbage disposal problem, frequent fire accidents in multi-stored buildings and also water problems. Hospital problems. And here are the problems that is in the rural areas. No bathroom and toilet facilities, no proper electrifications, lack of pure drinking water supply, roads are not suitable for the transportations of vehicles, no underground drainage facilities and also school education is not having. And also hospitality. These are the problems faced in rural areas. Housing features of the best city or village. Proper ventilations and light. Rainwater harvesting system from the roof of the each house. Okay, what the features we are getting in the cities? Cities are provided with very good facilities. Proper ventilations and light. Electricity facilities very good. And solar energy facilities we are getting, and also rain harvesting is nothing but storing of the rainwater. Closed underground drainage system we have, proper system of the garbage disposal and preparations of the manure from the garbage. Okay, what we are doing, you have seen in the advertisement. They are garbage disposal, what they are doing, they are separating the waste product and the plastic products, so that we will reuse the plastic products. A good house can provide health, happiness and peace for the family members and their neighbors. House with the best facilities leads to a good life. I hope you have all understood it. Thank you all.